I'm going to show you how to create this cool galaxy nail art design using eyeshadows. First, apply your base coat and then cure under the lamp. Then I'm going to grab my eyeshadow palette. You can grab whatever you have. I'm using this color Seaside around the outer corners, just around the edges. And then I'm rubbing on Melon in the center. Finished off with a little bit of Gleam. It's going to add a little bit of champagne highlight just in the center. And then I'll lock that in with top coat. Next, I'm going to grab my art gel and paint on little stars. I'm just using a liner brush for this. It's really easy to do. Just take your time. And then I'm going to dot on little small white dots. Just scatter them all over, cure under the lamp, and then seal again with top coat. Don't cure the top coat just yet because we're going to use this layer to stick on the star sequence as well as some glitter. I'm just using these little holographic glitters here and then I'm placing them on with my tweezers. You want to cure this under the light and then apply top coat to seal. Voila! Now you can turn any of your eyeshadow colors into nail art.